What's love for me?
Love is.
What do you think?
Love is.
So,
What's love?
how honest am I supposed to be? I can do lots of poll call here.
More than 100%.
More than 100%. Okay. So I think
Love for me is unlimited amount of trust. Love for me is the highest form of friendship, and I'm marrying my best friend. I mean, there's nothing greater than that, right?
I'm giving you great content, guys.
stop. This should not be recorded content.
Just look at her. The superstar.
So we met at the party. We never spoke. I saw him. Obviously, I noticed him immediately. I was like, I know who he is, and I would really like to talk to him, but I don't think he'd speak to me. And I think many years later, when we spoke about it, we realized that's exactly how he felt too. He didn't know whether I would go and speak to him anyway. So after the party, he followed me on Instagram, and then we started talking. And it's been 4 years to the day exactly when we get married. And I don't think a day has gone by where we've not spoken to each other, whether it's been through the many cities we've done long distance in. It has been a lot. So yeah, that's how we met.
So we met in 2021 on the 31st of Jan, and we didn't really speak that day. We just crossed paths. But when I was introduced to her, there was definitely a vibe. Did we act on the vibe immediately? Answer is no. But I did message her the next day. She did respond to a story of mine. So she actually slid into my DMs.
So after the first meeting, he followed me on Instagram and I followed him back. And we just started talking, and it was still the second or third wave of the pandemic going on at that time, and we would meet for a lot of walks. So that is something that really precipitated this entire relationship. We would go on these long walks, and the roads in Bombay would be empty. There would be no traffic, no sounds, which is obviously a luxury one cannot afford anymore.
1st of Feb 2021 to today, we've spoken every day, all day, irrespective of time zones. It's been awesome.
So I wasn't actually looking for a relationship, or I wasn't really looking to like meet anybody at that point. And you know, it's one of those things where you try to like find something and find someone for yourself, and you're just waiting for the right person to come along, and it never happens. And then in the most unexpected moment, like your perfect soulmate comes and meets you when you're least expecting it. I think that's what happened to both of us, and especially that's how I feel about it. Yeah.
डाले हैं रब ने सितारे हिस्से में जो हमारे झूमने लगी खुशियाँ आओ नी आओ मुंडे सारे ये सोनी मुंडे यारे फ्लोरते हैं नचियाँ
It's about 7:38 in the evening, and she calls me. She's like, "Hey, can you come down?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." So I went down to the gate, and she was standing right there.
He really made me work for it. He was like, I don't think I can do this. I don't know that I'm ready for a relationship. I was like, you know what? It's fine. Take your time. I got him this little soft toy, and I got him a notebook and a pen because he was going for his first official business meeting.
And a small toy, which is a very significant part of our relationship, which is why I think today both of us are together.
Story saadi too good, 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 story saadi too good.
The world was coming out of the pandemic, and so on an airplane you had to leave the middle seat empty. So my dad's at the window reading his papers, and I'm sitting on my seat at the aisle, and I'm just going through our WhatsApp of the last 2 weeks. I'm just reading our messages to each other. I'm like, dude, don't be an idiot. Like, what are you doing? This is your chance. This is the one. Like, you need to get her. And for that 2-hour flight back from Bangalore, I read all our chats.
शगना दी रात आई नच के बारात आई दिल वाली बात आई सदके जावा तेरे मेरे प्यार की है सज के सौगात आई सारी कायनात आई सदके जावा पूछे है जी हुण मंगा में की होई सारी मुरादां पूरियां कुछ तो बचा है एवें नहीं रब ने ये बनाया जोड़ियां के स्टोरी साडी टू गुड है टू गुड है टू गुड है टू गुड है टू गुड टू बी ट्रू के स्टोरी साडी टू गुड है टू गुड है टू गुड है टू गुड है टू गुड टू बी ट्रू के स्टोरी साडी टू गुड 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 के स्टोरी साडी टू
So I was the first call. I think when he landed, he's like, "I've just landed, and I really want to meet you, and like let's talk." So I knew where this was going. So I was like, yeah, sure, of course, I'm free, happy to. So we had our first date. We went to Gusto, so we had a pizza. In fact, when so he had done this whole proposal for me in London. So when I did my proposal for him in Bombay, we recreated our first date. So we went back to Gusto. So we sat at the same table. We almost had like the same staff. It was really sweet. But yeah.
And then we went on our first date, and there was no looking back. So yeah, it really made me feel a lot more settled.
Wanna get down for the night here, demon. I just wanna feel, wanna breathe, wanna live it. Well, is it true that your love is a blessing? I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Living it all out, I got no religion. I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Is it on now? Is it on now? Get it on now. It's a showdown. Oh my God. Oh my God. You ain't never seen a bad girl on the street, living it up, we in a one-down city. You ain't never met a bad girl like me, living it up, head on a gun so pretty. Could you fall in love with a girl like me? My baby tough, you got a red machete. You ain't never met a bad girl like me, living it up, head on a gun so pretty. Oh God, oh God, oh God, when it all goes down, I'm gone. Oh God, oh God, oh God, can you hold me down? So you got my love to take, don't give if you want it all. Oh God, oh God, oh God, can you hold me down?
No, I mean, he's ridiculously loyal, generous. No one could probably keep Purva happier than him. And he really goes out of his way for the people he cares about and he's close to. But on the flip side, he has his temper, he has his quirks, and he has his full Bollywood obsession, which is going to drive her insane.
I think he's really emotional and in touch with like a lot of his empathetic side, and he feels things like very strongly.
He's so gangsta, run down the city. Cold romance, so he's smart Da Vinci. He's so candid, I'm his devotee. He's so gangsta, run down the city. He's so gangsta, run down the city. Cold romance, so he's smart Da Vinci. He's so candid, I'm his devotee. Baby, just come down and get me. He's so gangsta, run down the city. Cold romance, so he's smart Da Vinci. Baby, just come down and get me.
So, for those who don't know me by now, I'm Jamie, Sumer's soon-to-be former better half. Thanks, Robert, wherever you are. They say you should never meet your heroes, but Sumer met me in 2011 at Jai Hind College, where we both landed up in the same class. Sumer has not just been there for me, but with me through some of my life's toughest times. Purva, I couldn't be happier for you both. You all complement each other in absolutely every way possible. I've seen him grow from strength to strength with you by his side. You have really made him a better man. He literally was making his own bed, doing his own grocery shopping and cooking when visiting you in London. So I hope that translates into your marriage as well. I'm so excited for you both and your Sumer and Purva. Thank you.
Purva and Sumer, you are the perfect match, and it's inspiring to see how you both elevate each other. Your love is full of joy, laughter, and deep respect, and it's a gift for everyone around you. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, laughter, and love. You truly deserve all the joy this world has to offer.
Oh my God.
I was studying for my New York Bar Council exams, and it is a really incredibly tough exam, and it's very challenging, it's very pressured, and a very competitive exam. At that time, we were, I think, 7 or 8 months into dating, of course. At that time, he would almost sit on a video call with me, and it was the opposite time zone, so he would be asleep. Just before he would sleep, he would call me and just keep the iPad on mute, and I would keep the iPad on mute, and we have FaceTime like for 8, 9, 10, 11 hours while I'm just studying. But it gave me so much solace and peace to just know that he's there.
It's been more than just that, it's been different time zones. So when I was waking up, she was going to sleep. So we had a 45-minute window to talk to each other. But we made sure that 45 minutes was packed with entertainment and information. So you had something to look forward to every day. What it also did, it gave us the time to pursue our passions, focus on our careers. She had to focus on her education as well. It also expedited the process of getting to know each other's friends and family. So we set a very strong foundation so that when long distance began, which is now finally over, we were good to go. Very early on, I realized that Purva and I were aligned in terms of our goals, in terms of the people we were, in terms of our family backgrounds. And she's someone I can talk to all day, every day. I can share anything and everything with her without any judgment. And she built an ecosystem around me, which actually made me want to do better, whether it was on a personal front or a professional front, or not professional front. In fact, my parents keep saying this: there's a pre-Purva Sumer and there's a post-Purva Sumer. And but thankfully, it was a quick conversation. It was a quick 3-4 minute chat. We knew exactly what we wanted from one another, and I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
क्या बताऊं तुझे, तू मेरा है कौन, क्यों बस तेरे ख्याल हैं, ये मुझे समझाएगा कौन, क्योंकि तू
So Sumer was due on 17th of September. The doctor called us, told us that by Monday morning 11, if he doesn't, the baby is not moving, you please come to the hospital. But sure enough, I reached the hospital, and within 45 minutes, Sumer was born. So from the time he's come on the scene, he's just been a person, I think, who's very caring and didn't want to give us too much bother. And that's what he is. He was then, that is what he is now.
Yeah, I mean, he's stayed pretty much the same. Always was a very sensitive, soft child. and very empathetic, very emotional, very strong family ties, very loyal. And from the time that he was a little boy, was an entertainer. He just believed in entertaining people, making people laugh. He was very naughty, but his naughtiness was nothing which was a cause for concern. It was what you'd expect a young boy to be, with excessive energy. But more importantly, he was very personable. His friends loved him.
एंड एज अ कॉप मैंने रियलाइज़ किया था कि मैंने जब मेरे करियर में देखा था कि एक डॉटर रहती तो क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहती है एज अ मदर, एज अ फैमिली प्यूवर. तब से मैंने मेरे खुद को चेंज किया था. 100%, 1000% मैंने चेंज किया. मेरी प्रायोरिटी मेरा बच्चा था, मेरा जो छोटा मेरी बेबी थी, वो हो गई थी टिल नाउ.
थक जाऊं अगर मैं कभी तेरी आगोश में आराम लूं. तेरे ही बारे में मैं सोचूं सवेरे दिन रात. तेरे ही बारे में मैं करूं सभी से बात. क्योंकि तू क्योंकि तेरा मैं सरफरा तेरे बिना जाऊं कहाँ.
It's a very precious child for us, and she is from the childhood. She is very much ambitious. She needs support, and she has given all support to her to build her career.
The silliest thing to say, and oh my god, if we're fighting, at the end of it he decides he's done, so he'll crack some ridiculous joke. So I'm so angry at that point that I don't want to laugh, okay? It'll be so funny that the fight is over, it's gone, it's past, we're just laughing, we're having a good time, we're going out for a coffee and going for a walk. I think it's that ability to like move on also, and knowing that at the end of the day, like, he's got my back and he loves me, and we matter more than an individual agenda at any given point of time, which is really nice to know. But yeah, I find that really cute.
I think a lot of people would have already told you that he met her at a party, and I don't know whether he's mentioned it or not. I remember I was seeing some photographs. Who was this person? Very pretty girl, very model-like to look at. And then out of the blue, he told me, he said, Purva is very attractive, very beautiful. Mom, she's very bright, and that's what I like. The conversation is not just about, hey, how. He says, I like that about her. And so I said, okay, let's see where this goes. And within days of her, Sumer and she becoming friends, Sumer introduced her to us. We discovered that Ravneet and she share birthdays. She was very interested in the work that we do. she immediately connected Sumer to somebody in her law school. So, you know, she was not a person who was just sitting and doing sweet nothing and romance and all. She's very a person who thinks, and that's what we really liked, and we thought that a person like her would be very good for Sumer. But then we waited for things to just, you know, evolve, and here we are today.
मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले आए हाय ओ मेरे यार नू बंदा ना बोली मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले ओ मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले आए हाय ओ मेरे यार नू बंदा ना बोली मेरी पावें जिंद कड ले
मेरी डॉटर इतनी लकी है कि ये घर में बहू बन के जा रही है. द वे रवनी जी, कामिनी जी, सुमेर, उसका ब्रदर, उसकी नानी, each and every person, they from first day they welcome my daughter, my छोटू बच्चा and their own daughter. So इस माँ के लिए और क्या चाहिए. ऐसे फैमिली में मेरी बेटी जा रही है. सुमेर जैसा ऐसा उसको लाइफ पार्टनर मिला है कि जो उसकी केयर कर रहा है, उसको जैसे चाहिए था ना, बस वही मिल रहा है.
Just pushed me in the most positive way possible, without having to actually, tangibly push me. She had my back. Whenever I wanted to try something, she always supported me.
And we wish both Sumer and her, a lifetime of happiness, good health, prosperity, parenthood, and God's kindest blessings as well.
Absolutely.
And that's what we would like to say to Purva and Sumer on this big day of theirs.
तू ही हम सफर मेरा, तुझसे जुड़ी है राहें कुछ ऐसी, मेरा सभी जो तू बन गया है. तू ही हम सफर मेरा, तू ही हम सफर मेरा, ख्वाहिशें हैं
I think my biggest wishes is for a couple is it's the beginning of a great adventure, and I mean I don't have the best advice to give. The only thing I would say is don't go to bed angry, and it's like that's it, and just keep loving each other.
I think Sumer and Purva are truly meant for each other. I think they've just done a few years of long distance, which Priyanka and I understand very well, and so I'm very happy that they're done with that and they're going to be living together, and hopefully they always support each other, help each other achieve their dreams, and have fun along the way. So just wish them the very best, and may they get everything that they hope for.
मैं सिद्धि विनायक की बहुत बड़ी ये हूँ, मेरे लाइफ में जो भी रखता है मेरे पूरे के पूरे वो दोनों को हैप्पीनेस मिले। सिद्धि विनायक उनको दोनों को इतना हेल्दी, इतनी खुशियाँ दे दे जो दुनिया में किसी को नहीं मिली है।
So yeah, I'm really looking forward to like waking up to him every single day, sitting and having a cup of coffee, going to the gym. We love working out. If I'm crying, I want him to be there. If I'm laughing, I want him to be there. If I just need to be held, I want him to be there next to me. So it's not like I'm particularly looking forward to some big highlights in life every day. I just want to like do boring, silly life with him. I want to like go take the dog to the groomer with him. I want to like do stupid everyday grocery shopping type tasks with him. That's what I'm really looking forward to. Yeah.
motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores.